Hey, Mr. Cicada. You do realize it's past your bedtime, right? There he goes.
From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, and it really is the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe at the moment. The cicadas are out in full force. Same thing every summer night. They'll be screaming for about an hour. They'll calm down pretty soon. Welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0, YouTube's bison-centric barbecue and grilling channel. Tonight we're keeping it simple, partially because we've got a whole bunch of stuff we're kind of doing inside. This is probably an unplanned video, but we're gonna keep things simple with what I'm doing out here, which is bison, of course. It's all bison all summer. We're gonna do some bison hot dogs. Bison dogs are simple. You can grill them, you can boil them if you must. The ingredients in Nebraska Bison Hot Dogs are bison and spices. That's it. There are no weird fillers or anything like that. We got a whole bunch of other stuff going on inside, so it's simple, it's easy, it's going to be quick. Bison dogs tonight on Smoky Goodness. Stick around. Cougar crossing. We need a sign out here that says cicada crossing. Shut up, cicadas. They'll be done in about an hour. Of course, I'm going to be done in probably about half an hour, so just going to have to bear with it, I guess. A couple of Johnsonville brats for the less adventurous among us. Nebraska bison. Oh yeah. Start off on the indirect side. Just like that. I know you can't see anything out here. And our onions. Shut up, rice. A bit of a singe never hurt anyone. Alright. You off. Just like that. I'll let it low and slow. Sort of. A little bit. Not long. A few more minutes has passed. Let's see how we did. To be truly Nebraskan, Dorothy Lynch. Yes. All these yummy onions here. Dorothy Lynch. But how does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy? Mr. Smoky Goodness Jr., our resident Nebraska Cornhusker, will be along in a moment, but doesn't want to be on camera. How's it taste? Let's find out. Okay, I don't want to be rude talking with my mouth full in front of you. The old iMac in front of me. See you later. Enjoy. www.nebraskabison.com/smokygoodness. 10% off your first order. Do it.
You ever wondered what a cicada looks like? There you go. They're everywhere. Everywhere, I tell you, everywhere.